Well, fine, got the pad for two maybe.
It was one of the finest series, actually finest spell I've ever witnessed.
So fun running
in my
when you're
whole
7
life.
feet tall. You're not meant
When
to
I was
run.
a teenager, I saw Mohammad Junaid and
after bowling all over.
Mohammad Irfan, the spell they actually
A
produced.
good one at that.
It was something magical.
First up, Irfan, a deep fine leg
I
now.
never witnessed this kind of spell again. You know?
Must be difficult. I mean, we can't even imagine what it must be. Obviously,
ऐसा नहीं कि बॉलर्स नहीं आए हमारे पास इसके बाद बॉलर्स आए हैं.
I guess the body works
शाहीन
out
शाह
some
अफरीदी
balance.
एग्जाम्पल है आपके सामने, नसीम शाह. लेकिन भाई this spell was
Right, man outside the circle was at long leg, so that
Mohammad
is
Amir
for
की
India's first boundary.
बहुत जबरदस्त बॉलर हैं और
Good delivery. Just three fielders on the leg side and staying on the pads of Virendra Sehwag.
इंडिया की कमर तोड़ने वाली बात है कि
Getting the elevation, clearing the man as well. A nice feeling to get off the mark with the boundary.
बॉलिंग का
He
मुजाहिरा
likes this
किया
particular
कि
ground. Virendra
Indian batsmen के पास कोई
Sehwag
जवाब
got a
ही
triple hundred against South Africa here. At almost run about.
Oh, that one comes back, hits him high on the pad. Strong appeal from Pakistan.
अच्छा तो हुई सहवाग की बॉल थोड़ा
Billy
ऊपर
Bowden
लगा
is
के
unmoved, not shaken.
The appeal I thought was for a caught behind, but how close was that for a leg before? But hitting the top of the pad, clearly no bat involved. Again, good in-swinging delivery. Virendra Sehwag hitting him high on the pad. So maybe the height factor as far as the leg before goes.
सहवाग का थोड़ा टेक्निकल का मसला, टेक्निक का थोड़ा इशू रहा है सहवाग की, क्योंकि ना आप देखेंगे कि
Very good appeal.
फ्रंट फुट इसका अक्सर ना मूव नहीं करता और बैट में और
Slip
पैड
on
में
was
काफी
very
ज्यादा
keen
गैप
for
रहता
a
है.
caught behind
जो
decision.
इन-स्विंगर होता है ना उसको खेलना
to
थोड़ा
be.
मुश्किल हो जाता है.
Oh, ball him! Lovely
He
interval
bowled him.
from Junaid
What a
Khan.
beauty.
He gets the batsman, he gets the big one. Sehwag is gone for
सहवाग का
4
भी
and
देखिए
what a
ना,
ball.
front foot
No
इतना move ही नहीं
footwork,
किया.
great movement.
बॉल को
Junaid
मौका
Khan
मिला
hits the
बहुत
bullseye.
जल्दी. पेस
Saw
भी
a
अच्छा खासा
couple of
पेस
appeals for
भी
leg
बॉल
before
कर
where
रहा
you could see all three
140,
stumps with
145
Sehwag's front leg being outside the line with leg stump. His pitch is in
swing
line
हो
and
रहा है
Sehwag
बॉल.
with the angle of the bat, he was
मुश्किल
looking to
होता है
play
batsman के लिए
behind square on the offside. It's an angle
Yeah,
bat.
जबरदस्त
There was a
ball.
big gap
Nice
between the
ball.
bat and
दूसरी
pad
आदत
and he's
check
gone
करें
right
आप.
through. That's a reward for
Junaid
some
Khan.
good bowling. Virendra Sehwag has got to go. And India is 17 for
जाहिर
1.
है क्यों नहीं होगा. He was one of the big fish. Here comes the
Virat
king
Kohli
of
is
the
the new
king,
man in.
Virat Kohli.
Anxiously looking at the strip. Young, exciting, hugely
अगर
talented.
इस सेंचुरी की बात करूं तो अभी तक जो
91 matches
सबसे
and
बड़ा
13
बैट्समैन मैंने
ODI
देखा है ना,
hundreds.
वो नो डाउट विराट कोहली.
Great record. Virat Kohli, 13 hundreds. Look at the strike rate. Look at the average. Phenomenal record.
सचिन
That's a
तेंदुलकर
good
की हम
one.
बात
Great
करते हैं
line
वो
from
एक
Junaid
डिफरेंट
Khan.
क्लास का
What a good
बैट्समैन.
over.
बट
It's a
विराट
wicket
कोहली एक
maiden.
डिफरेंट क्लास का
4
बैट्समैन
gone,
और जिस
17
क्लास का
for 1.
बैट्समैन विराट कोहली है ना, कोई कम्पीट करने वाला दूर दूर तक कोई नहीं है.
That's a good
देखिए
one.
विराट
This
कोहली को भी
was
बॉल
the angle
बाहर भी
ball.
निकाल रहा है,
Angle towards the
अंदर भी
slip
निकालेगा
corner.
दोस्तों.
Gautam Gambhir was
ये dismissal
forced to be
दिखाया
funneled by a
गौतम
ball
गंभीर
that was pitched up. That front foot was going
कभी
nowhere.
जिल्ला उड़ गया.
He played across the
इसकी
line.
खास बात ये थी कि
Was the
पाकिस्तानी बैट्स
onside and paid the
पाकिस्तानी जो
price.
बॉलर्स थे ना वो काफी ज्यादा हावी रहे थे
Irfan
इंडियन बैट्समैन
adjusting
पे
beautifully,
और
pitching it
काफी
up.
ज्यादा गिल्ले उड़े थे इंडियन बैट्समैन के. और ये मतलब
Gambhir
इतना
wasn't
ज्यादा
very
देखने में
comfortable
नहीं
against
आता.
Irfan right
इस
through this
सीरीज में ना
innings.
मतलब ये बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग था. ओह, कितना ज्यादा इसका बॉल स्विंग हो रहा है यार.
Junaid Khan was very good against Virendra Sehwag, getting the ball to move both ways. So had the batsman thinking, you have to play your leave and then one to come back in. And Virendra Sehwag probably was playing for the away swinger, opening the face of the bat. And Timber, it was.
Almost ready to leave the crease there. Very quickly off Sehwag, as if he's expecting this accident. Oh, that's a beautiful delivery. 3 slips in place. He's making the batsman think about the outswinger, about the slip corner. And what does he do? He gets that one to curve back. Good thinking, intelligent bowling.
Terrific seam position and good pace as well, Ramiz. 141 and he's getting the ball to boom both ways. Very good position of the seam and the ball coming back in. It's forced Virat Kohli to play at it. Just a little bit of bounce, the true bounce of even this pitch has taken it above the stumps. You can see that white dot, Junaid Khan to right-handers. Terrific legs, just the one yellow dot on the leg side. Sehwag hitting a boundary.
Oh, wow. Junaid Khan, absolutely fantastic. Castles another batsman, and this time Virat Kohli, who was in such great form, is gone. Courtesy brute of a ball, courtesy brilliance from Junaid Khan.
Because of the brilliant bowling, they did not need any support from the fielders with all the 3 dismissals. See all 3 of them bowled. And this one coming back in. Classical delivery. Isn't he a happy man? He's delighted. He's going through a great spell here, Junaid Khan. Virat Kohli
ऐसे bowlers जब लगेंगे
paying the
सामने
price.
और
You get a good delivery
ऐसे
early in the
मतलब
innings. You don't mind that as a
performance
batsman.
ऐसी
He's
चल
gone
रही
for a
होगी तो फिर तो
India
मुश्किल
19
होगा
for 3.
किसी भी बैटिंग लाइनअप के लिए बेशक.
Junaid Khan will continue his magical spell. Oh, and almost inside edge. What's happening, India? Not assured of the
Rohit
full.
Sharma
Rohit
bachia.
Sharma gets off the mark. Nervous start.
There's been some great bowling, outstanding bowling by the two Pakistan
अच्छा,
bowlers.
रोहित शर्मा का
This
weight
one
check
be very
करें आप
happy.
अभी
Won
ना
the
इस
toss,
series
decided to
में,
bowl,
मतलब काफी कम weight
expecting
था
his
यार,
bowlers to
काफी fit
strike,
था.
and they've struck.
अभी देखिए आप
Price.
उसकी फिटनेस ऑल्दो
We're only into the
मैं
6th over.
उसके फ्लॉस पे बात नहीं कर रहा लेकिन फिटनेस में देखें तो काफी ज्यादा वेट गेन किया है.
He's a class
रोहित
X,
शर्मा. अब तो
Rohit Sharma.
रिटायरमेंट के बहुत
Full
करीब
of
है.
talent potential.
और आई एम श्योर कि वो
Got to
शायद हो
convert
सकता है
that
नेक्स्ट
talent
वर्ल्ड कप भी
potential
में
now
खेले
into
और
some
ट्रायल
substantial figures.
लेकिन अभी बहुत फिट नजर आ रहा है भाई. ओह यार
Yuvraj Singh, another one bites the
यार, it
dust.
was actually basically
This is an incredible
most
spell from
favorite
Pakistan and
dismissal
from
of
Junaid
mine.
Khan.
ये जो युवराज को बॉल पड़ा है
What
ना,
a find he has been, swinging
It
them
was
at
played,
over
unplayed.
140 kph.
yeah.
And there is stunned silence
क्या बोलूं
in the
इसके बारे में?
crowds. It's an unbelievable beginning.
ये अनप्लेबल बॉल
Down
था
for
भाई.
20,
तो
Yuvraj
ये
Singh
बड़े से
is
बड़ा
shadow
बैट्समैन बड़ा
practicing
मुश्किल
the
हो
straight
जाता है.
drive that he should
लेफ्टी
have played.
And all of them bowl. He's
इतने
looking to
pace
play
के साथ
across
ball
the
है
line,
और
closing the face of the bat.
perfect जगह पे
A little
pitch
too
हुआ है.
early. He's
और
going
सही
through a
time पे
terrific
ball
spell. He
swing
got
हुआ
off
है.
the full face of the bat and playing through. Yuvraj
युवराज
Singh now
सिंह had no clue.
practicing the right
He had
thing.
no
He's not playing
answer.
straight. He played across. He's gone. India in deep trouble. 20 for 4.
युवराज सिंह मेरा फेवरेट प्लेयर था भाई. मैं
It was
आपको
a
बता
sensational
देता हूँ.
beginning
इंडियन
by
बैटिंग लाइनअप पे
Pakistan.
युवराज
4
सिंह मुझे
wickets
बहुत
down
ज्यादा
India.
पसंद
Suresh
है.
Raina
सुरेश
is in
रायना,
very early in the piece.
रोहित शर्मा. ओह,
Past the outside edge.
What a delivery this is. He's brought the ball back into the right hand. Look at this delivery. He just pitches
ये
it.
बॉल बाहर ही निकल गया.
It's almost like a fast off break. Not
मजे
much
की
of
बात ये थी
movement
कि
as it
बैट्समैन
passes the
बहुत
bat,
ज्यादा
but
कंफ्यूज
after that, look at the way
बॉल
it
अब
swung
अंदर
away.
आएगा, बाहर निकलेगा, हाथ को पकड़ नहीं पाया कोई जुनैद खान.
So 29 for 4. You can see the crowd stunned into silence. This is a sight they will never see again. So that's why when you get something of him, just make the most of it. Don't be in a hurry. Pass judgments. Because you will not see this again
सचिन की यादें.
on a cricket field. You can see the crowd are seeing this and there's a sudden roar. It's not a boundary that's been hit.
आपको पता है सबसे बेहतरीन
They're
जो जोड़ी
seeing the
मुझे लगी
master
इंडियन
on the
बैटिंग
giant
लाइनअप में
screen.
वो सचिन की और सहवाग की जोड़ी थी.
Catch and taken brilliantly.
क्या catch
This is
पकड़ रहे हैं?
magnificent from Pakistan.
हफीज स्लिप में अच्छा फील्डर.
It's Mohammad Hafiz. He's dived away across to his right and
आधी
pulled off
बैटिंग
an
लाइनअप देखिए
absolute
आप 29
gem.
रन्स पे लौट चुकी वापस.
And his Indian innings now in disarray.
तमाशाई
They've
जो
lost
है,
their
मुझे
fifth
यकीन
wicket.
नहीं हो
Rohit
रहा.
Sharma is
इवन
waiting.
मुझे भी यकीन नहीं हो रहा था कि ये क्या हो
The
रहा है.
first sighter suggests it's
4 विकेट ले गया
absolute
जुनैद
brilliance
खान.
from Mohammad
सिर्फ 12
Hafiz.
रन्स लेके.
And that was a smart move by
Ball
the
out, बहुत अच्छा
Pakistani
ball
captain
है,
to
बहुत
have an
अच्छा
extra
ball.
slip in position. And that's because of the way the movement of the ball.
Sharp
There
swing हुआ
again,
है,
pushing
और
hard at the ball.
अच्छी
Up
जगह
in
पे
the
ball
air.
पड़ा
Magnificent catch
लेकिन
by
catch बहुत जबरदस्त था.
Pakistan's T20 captain. He's just a player in
Wasn't
this team
an
now.
easy catch.
But look at that
It was a
commitment.
tough chance.
Marvelous catch. Great
Yeah,
reflexes
yeah,
from
yeah.
Mohammad Hafiz. Rohit Sharma out. It's 29 for 5.
रोहित शर्मा 1 for 4. India 29 for 5.
So 29 for 5 and the skipper comes out. He
Legend.
must have known
MS
he's
Dhoni.
lost a big toss there. But wouldn't have expected to be batting inside the first 10 overs. So Dhoni the man on strike. This is not a T20 game. This is a 50 over contest. And he's come out to bat inside 10 overs because of some brilliance from Pakistan. Magnificent catch that. Good anticipation, good technique, going with both hands.
It was actually one of the best catch
And it sticks in one.
I've seen. तो दोस्तों जुनैद खान का स्पेल मैंने आपके साथ शेयर किया. अगर आपको लगता है कि इससे बेहतरीन स्पेल आपने भी विटनेस किया है, देखा है अपनी लाइफ में, तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा. इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.